Yo, what's up, V8X family? Fire. Welcome back to channel V8X, where luxury meets pure automotive dominance. Today, you're not just looking at a van, you're witnessing royalty on wheels. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz VIP Class, finished in an elegant, head-turning white that screams executive power and Maybach-level presence. Let's get straight into it. From the very first front view, this machine commands respect. That bold luxury grille, razor-sharp LED headlights, and the clean white paintwork create a presence that absolutely dominates the road. And yes, that custom V8X plate up front? That's pure boss energy. This isn't transportation, this is arrival. Slide over to the side profile, and wow, the proportions are just chef's kiss. Long, sleek, and dripping in premium chrome accents. The white body flows like liquid luxury, sitting perfectly on those high-end alloy wheels. This angle right here? Executive. Presidential. Untouchable. Now let's talk about that rear view, because Mercedes did not come to play. Those premium LED taillights glow like a private jet on wheels. The stance is wide, confident, and ridiculously clean. And once again, that V8X plate on the back seals the deal. If presence had a definition, this would be it. But hold up, the real magic starts when we step inside. The dashboard view of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz VIP Class is straight up next level. We're talking premium white and black leather, ambient lighting that feels like a 5-star lounge, and a massive digital display that looks like it came from the future. Every stitch, every surface, every detail, built for VIPs only. Pop the hood and the engine bay reminds you this luxury beast has serious muscle under the skin. Clean layout, precision engineering, and that signature German performance DNA. Smooth when you want comfort, powerful when you demand respect. Now picture this beauty on the highway, gliding effortlessly at speed. The white paint catching the sunlight, the body cutting through the air like a private jet on asphalt. This isn't just driving. This is floating in first class at 70 miles per hour. And when night falls, oh, it gets dangerous. The night shot of this VIP Class is pure cinematic gold. LED headlights piercing through the darkness, reflections dancing across the glossy white finish, city lights bouncing off every curve. This thing doesn't just drive at night, it owns the night. Finally, sitting under the bright lights in the luxury showroom, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz VIP Class looks exactly where it belongs, in the spotlight. Polished floors, mirror reflections, and that flawless white finish screaming ultra-premium status. Now let's talk numbers, because I know you're waiting. Depending on the level of customization, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz VIP Class can range anywhere from $120,000 to over $250,000 plus. Yeah, this is serious money, but for this level of rolling luxury palace? Totally justified. So the real question is, would you ride in this white luxury beast? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're new here, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because channel V8X is bringing you the hardest luxury car content on the internet. This is channel V8X, and we'll catch you in the next one. Fire checker flag.